in this video, I'm going to break down an over 100% trade that we took on Tesla. I'm going to break down the exact strategy that we used to take this trade. And guess what? I'm going to teach it to you live so you can go ahead and take this and use it on whatever ticket you want going forward. And listen, for those individuals that say, hey, Tanisha, yes, I would love to trade Tesla, but the premiums are a little bit too high for me. I got a treat for you, my friends. I have an exact ticker that moves exactly like Tesla, but the premiums are a lot more beginner friendly account size wise, okay? So what this means, my friends, if Tesla is moving and we are able to take a Tesla trade, you can use this exact ticker symbol that I'm going to tell you, and it moves exactly like Tesla. So make sure you stick all the way to the end. And guys, if you want to actually learn this strategy and trade with me live, see my screen, hear my thought process, all you gotta do is click the link in my description box or simply type the word Discord down below and I got you, all right? Do me a quick favor before we go to the charts. Give me a thumbs up or go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you already know how YouTube be doing. So without further ado, my friends, let's get into the charts. All right, y'all. So we are going to go ahead and talk about this Tesla trade here. And first and foremost, I draw my pre-market high, pre-market low levels. And when I got a break of my pre-market low level here at 340.22, I am now interested in a possible play to the downside, but I wait for my entry, right? I'm not in the trade yet. So what we get is a nice push to the downside under this 339.68 pivot level here. And after that push, what I see here is a nice flag forming here, right? All right, y'all. So with that flag, remember what I used the flag for? I use that for my entry and my stop loss. So we enter on the other side of the flag and my stop loss is simply on the opposite side of that same flag, okay? So my entry here in this play was a beautiful entry to the downside here, nice push to the downside, and we get our first profit target here, 32.90, okay? 32.90. So what profit targets is simply you getting paid for the work you've done thus far, okay? So that's the TP there. So once I get to this profit target here, what I simply mean is I sell some of my contracts to get paid for the work I've done thus far. So after we get that, then we get another beautiful flag forming here. Yes, y'all. So with this beautiful flag here, we remember we have another entry point here. So what I did with this is, and there's two ways you can handle this. First off, if you miss the first entry here, this would be your actual initial entry into the trade, right? But for myself and for other individuals inside the group, this was an add-on, right? Where we're able to add on to a winning trade. So what I did here, I was able to add on to my position, and this is how you maximize the potential of a trade that's already going in your favor. So remember here, my entry point is on this side of the flag, and then my stop loss is simply on the other side of that flag there, okay? So with that being said, we're able to not only still profit off of the initial entry, but now profit off of the second entry, right? And my red line here is my 200 simple moving average on the hourly chart, okay? And what I use this simple moving average is a strong level of resistance if it's above me and a strong level of support if it's below me. So I knew off bat, my friends, this was my major profit target here. So what I did was here, I sold off the majority of my contracts here and I left a runner to see if there was any other moves to the downside. As you can see, it just hugged the 200 for the rest of the day and I was good to go. But this was, like I said, an over 100% trade. A lot of us were able to catch it inside an intraday, but as I promised, I'm going to make sure I let my friends who are, if they say Tesla is too rich for my blood, I'm going to show you the ticker that you can trade that moves exactly like Tesla. All right, y'all, as promised, if you want to trade Tesla and the premiums are too high, which is the risk you have to put into the trade, then you can trade something called TSLL. You simply type that into the symbol search and look, this is what pops up. Okay, this is the exact same day on TSLL is over here, Tesla is over here. But I want to show you the legit similarity, like legit. It is the coolest thing ever. So if you're starting out as a beginner trader, you're like, you need something that can fit into your account size in regards to premiums, definitely check out TSLL, because if Tesla is rolling, TSLL will be rolling also. I want to give you an extra little bonus also. If you have an issue with marking your levels, let me show you a awesome indicator that you can add to your chart. All right, y'all. So if you have an issue with marking levels in regards to critical levels, like this profit target here that I use, all you have to do is go to the indicator tab up here. And when you click on that, go ahead and just type in pivot point standard, click on it, add it to your chart, and boom, you're going to have these pivot points or these lines or levels that are going to be drawn for you on your chart that will help you to know where to take profit. Now, this is not the end all be all. You still need to learn how to actually draw your levels going forward, but it's a great way to start because nothing hurts more than getting into an awesome winning trade and it bounces out of nowhere and you don't get paid and the green trade that you had turns red. Okay, so guys, if you want to actually learn how to use this strategy and see my chart in real time and take trades like this with us in real time, make sure you go ahead and click the link in the description to get the info in regards to Discord, or simply type Discord down below. Yeah, I'm just like processing all of it. Of course, Tesla made this nice Google going up, big. You gotta wait for a CC. Apple going up, waiting for a CC. Google going up. Who? Google. Yeah, Google. Google trending. Apple trending. Ooh, nice. Okay, Google friends. Google's there. Apple. Apple's trending. Watching Tesla below this 336.78. Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. Don't do that. Give me 40. Yeah, the LTR looks good. Not contained yet, but if it gives us a pullback, we just have to be aware of the pivot level above it here. Tesla below 336.69. I'm looking at Tesla still. Stop loss a little wide. You know how Tesla is. All right, I'm in on Tesla. I took a little bit on Tesla. Looking for 336. Let's see how that goes. I'm in on Tesla. NVIDIA might be giving us, let's see what it wants to do. If it can give us a pullback, stay contained for this next minute or so, it would be nice. NVIDIA, stay 60 seconds. Tesla. Take a little bit off of Tesla, y'all. Take a little bit off of NVIDIA. NVIDIA holding. I'm in Tesla. I'm in NVIDIA, I'm sorry. NVIDIA, yes. So I'm managing 2 trades as we speak. I'm in NVIDIA calls and Tesla puts. Go easy. Go Tezzy. Okay, let's see what NVIDIA wants to do. Oh, okay. Take a little bit off of Tesla, y'all. Let your runners run. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, let's see. It's a good start of the morning, huh? Mm-hmm. Go ahead, NVIDIA. Right. Good weight on Google, bro. You said so? Good weight on Google. Good weight on Google. Oh, so good. Let's go. If we go to 333.3 right here, next profit target, y'all. On the video. In video, you lucky you on the roster right now. So please act right. Please act right, cause you lucky you even here. Don't do that with your little low budget contracts. Come on now, go. What are you doing? We're good. It look good. It look good. It look good. Don't talk NVIDIA like that. Look at it. We're in 2 trades, NVIDIA and Tesla. Tesla puts, NVIDIA calls. Let's go. Y'all PLTR folks, y'all see how I told y'all to wait for that pivot? That's how you do it. You see that? NVIDIA not paying the way we want to, but say you could take it a little bit off. We're getting close to profit there. Okay. Off the levels, it's something there. Let's go. 2-9. All right, y'all. So I hope you learned something new. And if you did, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you have not done so yet, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And like I said, if you want to learn more in the real time and want to hear my thought process through what we're doing and hear myself and Coach Mike talk it out, make sure you go ahead and click the link in the description box or simply comment the word Discord down below and we got you. Until the next one, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. And I'll see you on the next one.